Hey, it's Cathy with Level Up RN. I'd like to provide some advice to all the new grad nurses out there who are getting ready to start their first job. On your first day, I highly recommend bringing in some goodies to share with your coworkers on your unit. So nurses love food, and by bringing in it's like donuts or some other goodie, they are going to really appreciate it and it will help you get off on the right foot. I would also recommend bringing a card and a little extra something special for your preceptor. And in that card, let your preceptor know that you really appreciate their time and effort in onboarding you. Next, remember to be humble and ask lots of questions. Never do anything to jeopardize your license or your patient's health. If you've never done a procedure before, be sure to ask for supervision or help. And if you don't understand something, be sure to ask questions. And probably the most important advice I have for you is to really give yourself some grace. There is a lot to learn and it's going to take time. So you need to be kind and patient with yourself. Also remember that if you don't like your first position as a new grad nurse, there are many paths out there for nurses. So I started my career on a med-surg telefloor, which wasn't the best fit for my perfectionist type personality. But from there, I went into wound care nursing, and that was a job I really, really loved. A substantial number of new nurses leave the profession altogether within the first 2 years. So don't let that be you. If you are unhappy, start looking at other options and then make your move when it's right.